Okay, so this is part one of Blackbird. For those of you who are too lazy to read your tabs, you know who you are. So the first part, we're going to split it into a whole bunch of different parts here, but this is the first bit. Okay, starting, making sure that you've got the proper fingerstyle shape with the right hand. Your thumb is going to play string 6 and string 5 and string 4 when it needs to. Your pointy finger is going to play string 3, your middle finger is going to play string 2, and your ring finger is going to play string 1. With the left hand, what's happening is you're going to start with just finger 3 on fret 3 of string 6. And then you're going to play middle finger and thumb together, followed by pointy. There's your first bit. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put pointy finger on the first fret of string 2. We're going to move the thumb down to play string 5, and then we're going to do the same thing. So you've got this so far. Then the third shape we're going to make is going to be pointy finger on the second fret of string 5 and ring finger on the third fret of string 2. And we're going to keep the thumb where it is, and we're just going to do the same thing again with the right hand. So you have this now. Sorry. Once you got that, then you're going to slide up from that third shape all the way up to fret 10 and fret 12. Alright, so we play the beginning, slide, and then play those two together. It's going to be thumb and it's going to be ring finger that is sliding, because that's what you play that third shape with there. Alright, now once you reach this position, we're going to play a little pattern. It's going to be the thumb and the middle finger together, then pointy, then middle, then thumb, then middle, then pointy. Together, pointy, middle, thumb, middle, pointy. Together, pointy, middle, thumb, middle, pointy. Alright, so that's the first bit.